Hello everyone and welcome to Plus Equal. We are here today to keep going into the Unity tutorial called Get Started with Unity. It's a template that you can download. We already completed one of them, now we are going to the second one. So check my playlist to see all the videos regarding this. I will start this one, the 3D fundamentals. We will learn to navigate into the 3D space. So let's press next. Our first task is to change a material. For that we can go into Project, Window, Assets, Materials. So Assets, Materials. Select any material. Alright, let's select grass. I like to touch grass. From the project window, drag the material into the white ground. So you just need to actually grab this material right here, press it and drop it into the ground. Leave the mouse and then there you go. It's all green now. You can press next. Our next mission is to change the skybox, and for that we need to go to skyboxes as well, here in the asset list. Skyboxes, and we can select any skybox that we want and drag it into the sky. Cool. I will put something like a sunset. There you go. Beautiful. Let's press next. Now they want us to move in the scene a little bit. They tell us to grab the view tool. The view tool is this one right here. So if you press here, you can actually pan around here in the scene. And if you press the right mouse button, you can actually look around as well. So that's one way to move. Let's press next. They want us to first click somewhere in the scene view. And then we can use the left and right arrows to move the view side to side. So if you press your arrows, you can move. You can also press your up and down arrow to zoom in and zoom out. Just like that. They want us to get close to this orange box with using only the arrows. Okay, we are here. Let's press next. Now they want us to select the move tool. The move tool is this one right here. Let's press next. Now move the orange box. The orange box that they want us to move is called 02 box orange. 02 box orange. Press this one. You see that the gizmo will pop out. What they call the arrowheads, blue and red handles, for example. So with this orange box selected, let's try to get it close to this big one. Alright, for example, like a little stair like. Let's press play and see if we can jump here and then jump into the other one. I want to catch this one, and I want to catch this one. If my robot can jump there, there we go. Second star is done. Let's press ESC and cancel display. This one is done. Let's press next. Now they want us to add stairs to the scene. We just need to go into assets prefabs and we have stairs right here. And they want us to drop them out somewhere here. All right, let's place our stairs here. They are a little offsetted, right? They are rotated in the wrong position, which they warn us right here. Let's press next, and they want us to rotate the stairs. For that we can grab the rotate tool right here, and then we can rotate them in one axis, just like this. Let's also rotate it like this, so we come from this direction and move it again near the pink block. Let's enter play mode again and see if we can get all stars. So 1, 2, and we got them all. Cool. Let's save our scene as they tell us right here. So save. Let's press next. They want us to add a primitive cube. Alright, they added another one right here. I haven't seen it. So we can just press this plus sign, 3D objects, cube. Let's press next. And now they want us to turn a cube into a ramp. So in order to make this easy, let's just grab this closer to us. Like, let's place it right here near our ground. Let's align it also with that platform right there. Let's use the scale tool that we have right here to actually make this cube big enough so we can get into the platform. Let's again move it a little to the left and now up. Let's rotate it a little bit with the rotate tool, and now let's align it to the ground. Something like this should actually do it. If you want, you can also scale it on this axis so you don't fall easily. This should actually do it. Let's press play and let's grab them all again. If you want, you could go directly into the other one to test it out. So let's jump this ramp that we just did and grab the final star. That was nice. Let's close this one. Let's press next. And that's pretty much it. They tell us to go to the next tutorial. Let's press done, save our scene. And that's that for the 3D fundamentals. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one, the one where we will explore the possibilities. I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching again and stay awesome.